Do you like gorgeous homes and inspired designs? You do? That's too bad, because we found the ugliest of the ugly.
I have cried in this bathroom. I have literally cried.
This is my 5th time doing this. And in my past adventures, we found stunningly ugly homes in over 50 cities. We've seen castles, we've seen domes, we've seen a god of the sea, a house built around a rock, and even a funeral home. How much uglier can it get? We're about to find out. Bam, 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 hello. Every room is better than the last. There's more people, a lot more. Fancy dancy. Yeah. Dances, baby. There's a bidet.
I told you it got better.
What's the gift to celebrate your 5th? Wood. Whoa, I never seen this much wood.
It's like a wooden jail.
Would you like to join me on my search for the ugliest house in America? I knew you would. Today I find myself in Rocky River, Ohio, the Buckeye State. I'm here to meet Chandler, who thinks he has the ugliest house in America. I'll be the judge of that. Well, it's not cute. Chandler!
Retta, welcome to the crib. You want to come in?
Yes.
Cool.
An entryway right into your bedroom?
Yeah, it's in here because all the other rooms are freaky. My name is Chandler, and I just bought the ugliest home in America. I looked at the listing and I was like, that's my house. I was obsessed with the outside of the house. Just everything about it, like how it's tucked away, the patio, but every single room in this house needs to be redone. People have come over and been like, is this your grandmother's home? The carpeting's 50 years old. There's wallpaper on the ceilings. The main bedroom is pink, and I'm just not a pink guy.
Okay, I'm trying to take it all in. This carpet has seen better days.
I don't think the carpet was ever replaced.
Stone. Is that real stone?
I think it is, yeah.
That's fake.
Yeah, that's probably is fake.
I'm wondering what.
The crystal?
Yeah.
They're everywhere in the home. Something about energy.
Something about energy.
And how it beams across the entire house.
What is this supposed to be? Was it a fountain?
Yeah, it was a fountain, or it was just like a pit. I don't know. It's like a pit in my living room.
There are so many things to point out in this kitchen. Faux brick, I can see.
You're right, it is.
This apparently is a design flaw because you're not supposed to put the handles in the middle of a door that opens from the side. Mirror backsplash.
Dishes at night with that mirror. I'm like, what is happening behind me?
Can you open that window?
I don't know how you get up there to open it.
Maybe there's a remote to that box.
Maybe that's what that remote's for that she left. Because I thought it was a garage door opener, and it doesn't work on the garage. You're so right, it does open this hatch.
I'm curious as to whether Chandler actually looked at this house before he got here. Because I found more stuff than he did.
You wanna check out the main bedroom?
Sure. Pink!
This is gonna be my bedroom.
Right.
I try to spend the least amount of time in here as possible.
Was there a bed in here when you saw it?
Yeah,
It was over here?
circle, look.
Yeah, because it's a
circle
lot
bed.
more peach.
Something
Yeah.
sat here for 50 years.
Yep. I mean, if it was round. Hip granny. Granny with swagger. Granny, get some. Can I look in the bathroom?
Definitely check it out.
Stop. I'm obsessed. I love this tile.
Really?
Maybe not on the countertops. I think it's great on the floor,
Not my style.
but I dig it. A lot of critters.
They're everywhere.
Even stuck on the tree. It's like a park.
It's a really, really nice patio, except for the burial site.
The what?
Okay, look, the broker joked about it. I think he was messing around. I'm not sure. I don't know. But now I'm like, and it was after he sold me the house too. And it's elevated too.
I'm hoping it's just dirt.